Hey, the good folks over at Gardner Pet sent us over this dog crate furniture to do a little unboxing, put it together, and let you know what we think about it. So let's get started. What is that? Oh,
that's the bowl holder.
The bowl holder. The parts are numbered, which is a good thing. This may take a minute, so we may just speed it up a little bit so you won't get too bored.
It's a pretty big one.
I love that color of wood.
Yeah. Okay. Parts 1 and 2. These screws are all mixed up. I decided to separate them.
Oh.
Okay. So we need 1 and 2. And it's going to be like this. I think that's 2.
That's 2.
I bet that's 1 right there.
Oh, is it a big?
Yeah, this is going to go in.
I don't know which way it goes.
Is there holes over there?
Yeah.
2 that line up with this?
Yeah. But no, because these don't go all the way through.
They're not supposed to. You're going to screw a screw into them.
These don't go all the way through either.
It just, this little bitty screw is going to go in there.
Oh.
See this little bitty screw?
Oh, so it don't. Oh, okay. So we're going to put a hinge on it. Gotcha.
Sort of.
Gotcha.
Okay, I get it. This is going to go up because this is the latch. Here. Go get them.
All right, well, it went together really easy. It's got the dog bowls. You just pull the pins out. You can swivel the dog bowl out like that if they want to feed from the outside, or you can leave it to the inside. It's got a gate on the front and a gate on the side over there.
And your side opens too.
Oh yeah, this side right here opens as well. We'll let our actress out of here. Just do it like that, flip that up. You can open that out, and out they go. Really nice dog crate. If you're in the market for one, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. And if you really want to, you could subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate that one. And if you're curious on the dimensions, on the inside, it is 36 and about 5/8 by 23 3/4. And the height on it is going to be 24 3/4. So I'd say a medium. Well, you saw the dog in there. About a medium to a little bit large, but not too large. It worked perfect. So yeah, I think it's a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.